car
Foot off
wash.
brake, hands off wheel, wipers off.
Yep. It does all the rest.
Hands off wheel. Yep. Gotcha. When they first were bringing these into the market, your grandmother worked for Benderson. Deltasonic's a subsidiary of Benderson. It was Nate Benderson's two sons. One was working to work for Benderson, and the other one owns Deltasonic.
Yeah.
And another one owns the company out in California.
Yeah. Oh.
So Randy was the one working for Benderson in Buffalo, and then what was the other one's name? The one for this. Anyways, when they first brought them into town, it was like the biggest thing, and we got free washes for like ever, for the longest time.
Yeah.
Your grandmother worked for Benderson. Oh, they used to put little kisses on the back seat of your car.
Yeah.
Deltasonic Glass.
Look at that. And then the big tubey tubes. Oh, that smells good. Green. It's